guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Cajun chicken breast in mushroom gravy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, here we have our chicken breast, and I'm using 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Now I'm adding oil to it, just moisturizing it just so that the season can stick to it while it's searing. Now to season my chicken breast, I'm using Cajun season, and this is about a half teaspoon of Cajun season on each side. Now I'm adding Maggi chicken season, guys, and I'm sprinkling that all over the chicken. I'm practically winging the recipes, guys, but I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below. Guys, I literally just woke up, so don't mind my morning voice. And here you have our seasoned chicken breast, guys. You can either choose to bake it in the oven or you can sear it on your stove top. So I'm gonna be doing both. So in a medium-sized skillet, I'm gonna be adding oil, and I'm just gonna let that heat, then add my chicken. For my chicken, I'm gonna be searing it for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side until it reaches the desired sear that I'm looking for. So guys, now I'm flipping my chicken, and this is a perfect sear that I'm trying to achieve. So I'm gonna cook it for an additional 6 minutes. And here you have it, guys. The chicken is not fully cooked through, so I'm gonna be finishing it off in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. Also, guys, to ensure that when you're cooking chicken, please make sure that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now while my chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna be steaming some baby bok choy. And these are just the absolute best vegetables. Like, I love bok choy, guys. So I'm gonna be steaming these for about 3 minutes. I don't like when my vegetables are soft. I rather them crunchy. And guys, I did went ahead and I mashed some garlic potato. I also went ahead and I made some creamy mushroom sauce, and I just add my chicken on that as a bed. And this is a final product, guys. I do love you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.